We got a Drano bomb right here. Let's do this. I want to see it.
Wait.
These babies get big now. You have to watch them right here. Get back, you know.
How do you zoom in?
Just keep it like that. Just stay close. Just stay like that right here. As soon as you start to see smoke,
I don't see it.
you gotta wait a little. Get back, though. It happens very quick. Get out of here, get back.
Is it gonna shoot me?
It's gonna go.
I don't see it.
We're gonna see it. Watch. Let me get that camera. Oh, shit. See what's happening inside right now. I don't know what the hell's going on. Should happen right now. You see it moving? Alright. And you see those oxygen bubbles right there? That means it's gonna happen.
It's sizzling.
Alright, there you go. We see the bottle getting bigger now. Get back, get back.
Is it gonna shoot me in like 2 seconds?
No, just stand back. That's all you gotta do.
Nothing. Oh, wait.
Look at it, just stand.
It's sizzling. Do you see a smoke inside?
Oh shit, that bottle's getting long as hell.
Oh, shit. Holy shit. Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
Oh shit, that sucked. Look at that bubbling inside. Oh damn.
There's smoke.
Look at that shit. Oh, that sucks though. It's like a smoke.
Smoke bomb. It's a smoke bomb. What's the bomb?
No, it's not. It's fucking producing the steam. It's bubbling inside. Look at it.
Why does it smell disgusting?
It's not good for you. Toxic. Alright.